Inside Robinson's Rojas, amid the daily rush of hungry shoppers and curious passerby, one name stands out for its bold flavors and comforting meals: Laylam Shawarma. What began in Cebu in 2005 as a humble food cart is now a nationwide favorite, serving over 150 locations across the Philippines. Laylam isn't just about shawarma wraps. From shawarma rice and noodles to their signature sizzling platters, every bite tells a story of fusion, flavor, and Filipino creativity. But behind the food is a dedicated team making it happen every day.
Bago ako dire, pali ang imong kon Andreana about sa prices dire sa mga baligya mo. Tapos dire sundon mo lang ang mga imong ulubraw taga ang article, mga documents para sa imong reviewer. Then imong ulubraw sila magluto-luto anay, observation anay before ka mag-umpisa dire. Then after sina matinlo-tinlo ka lang lason. Tapos sundon mo lang do mga measurements ang imong ginahiwa at mga grams muna na etc. Tag sini hindi lang luto nang kami dire. All around. Hindi na lang kami. Ga-cashier ka, galuto ka, ga-accounting inventory ka.
With practiced hands and warm smiles, they bring consistency and heart to every order they serve.
Ay, di madula na mo. Siyempre, pag ang patience sa customer, ay kung matay ginintindihan na lang naman, dapat professional ka magtubang sa ilagyapon sa namatabo. Bali, be professional lang sa mga hinahawakan. May mga app lang nga.
From its Cebu roots to this stall in Rojas, Laylam continues to grow, not just as a food brand but as a part of every community it serves. This is Laylam. More than just a meal, it is flavor, passion, and Filipino spirit wrapped into one.